Welcome to Faye Smith Beauty. My name is Faye. In this episode today, I'm going to show you the products and techniques that you need to know to create a beautiful eye makeup as we age. So as we get older, our face starts to change, our skin and especially our eye shape too. You'll commonly find that the upper brow bone will start to sink down and the eyes become hooded, and the problems that arise with that may be smudging under the eyes, transferring when you do eyeliner. So there are products and techniques out there right now that specifically tackle these issues that arise as we age. This is my beautiful model Brooke. I actually just did her complexion in a separate video, so if you want to check that out, definitely go ahead and watch that. I'm going to go ahead now and do her eye makeup, eyebrows and lips to complete the look. So Jones Road has an amazing collection of cream eyeshadows which I highly recommend. They are crease free, smudge proof and absolutely perfect for doing eye makeup for mature clients or for yourself. So they're best applied with a finger. So again, with all of the cream products, it's best to put them in your finger and kind of rub it together to blend it in your hands. And I'm just going to tap this beautiful champagne color onto Brooke's eyelid. It is definitely a myth that you can't use like shimmers or glowy products when you get older. As long as it's a cream, it's going to look beautiful and actually give this like gorgeous glow to the eyes. And you could even wear this by itself. This is a new addition to my professional makeup kit. This is the Armani Eye Tint, which is absolutely amazing for eye makeup as we mature. Again, completely crease proof, smudge proof. I'm just gonna use it very sparingly with a nice fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna go into the outer corners of Brooke's eye here with a nice fluffy brush. And it's just gonna add a little bit of dimension, a little bit of a tint. Prime Cosmetics is an amazing brand that I discovered this year. It advertises specifically for 50+, which is amazing for eye makeup for mature people. And it's also amazing for hooded eyes too, because it is a nice gel eyeliner that glides on easy and does not transfer or smudge, which is the biggest problem with eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go in and go right at the base of the lash here and create a really beautiful eyeliner for Brooke. And I will finesse the shape of it with an angle brush. So I'm gonna go in and give Brooke's lashes a little bit of a curl. So just looking down to the ground for me, beautiful. So giving your lashes a curl is always gonna make the most out of your lashes. And as you guys know, I am an absolute advocate for lash lifts as well. I have done Brooke's lash lift before and it makes a massive difference. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. So I'm next gonna go in with a really great mascara, which is from Prime Cosmetics again. Again, smudge proof, transfer proof, and I absolutely love the tiny little bristles which really separate the lashes. So I've finished Brooke's eyes, and of course eye makeup always looks better when you've finished the brows. Prime Cosmetics is the choice for products once again. I am using first of all their tinted brow gel. Very, very light hand when applying this because it's very potent. We're just wanting to color in the hairs a little bit and not touch the skin. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more detail with their eyeliner pen. So the grand finale of this beautiful makeup look is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, which you will find in our shoppers must-have video. This is a beautiful lip stain. They have a great range of colors. This one is Brooke's favorite, which is why we have chosen it for today. The color is number 15, Lover. Give it a little blot. Yeah, beautiful. That just softens it so nicely. Gorgeous. So this is the final look. I exclusively used cream and liquid products to create the eye design. I used both a liquid eye tint, a cream eyeshadow, and a cream gel eyeliner. All of these products are specifically designed for hooded eyes, maturing skin, anyone who struggles with transferring eyeliner, creasing eyeshadow, or smudging eyeshadow. So really it's in the products mostly over the technique. The technique is mostly the same as you would do with any other eye design, but it is the products. Picking the cream and liquid products is absolutely key for the wearability of the makeup. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know too. And of course, as always, I have linked all of the products and brushes that I used in the comments down below. Don't forget to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button for me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.